want you to sing with me. Please close your eyes. Please understand His will and say His words. I am more than enough. Please say it louder because you are speaking to yourself right now. I am more than enough.
I am more than enough.
Say it like you mean it. I am more than enough.
I am more than enough.
I already have what it takes.
I already have what it takes.
I can do anything that I set my mind to.
I can do anything that I set my mind to.
Because God is within me.
Because God
Say that again. Because God is within me.
Because God is within me.
I was born to solve a problem.
I was born to solve a problem.
Say it louder. I was born to solve a problem.
I was born to solve a problem.
Say it like you mean it. I was born to solve a problem.
I was born to solve a problem.
Because I am the answer to a question that God knew would be asked.